Welcome to the CashWave Strategy Vault. This isn't just another affiliate series filled with vague ideas or filler content. What you're about to discover is a game-changing system designed to deliver real results. The Strategy Vault is packed with proven programs, actionable strategies, and tools that have been tested by thousands of CashWave subscribers. You're officially stepping into a world where the guessing stops and the building begins. This is video 1 in an 18-part series that serves as your personal roadmap to affiliate success. Over the course of this series, we'll take a deep dive into the toolkits and programs that power the vault. By the end, you'll have a structured, step-by-step system that you can plug into immediately. It's all about creating sustainable, scalable income, and this setup has already transformed the lives of countless creators. If you've been searching for a clear, actionable plan to build your affiliate business, you're in the right place. This series wasn't just built for creators like you, it was built with creators like you in mind. So what exactly is the CashWave Strategy Vault? Think of it as your master plan for affiliate success. Across these 18 videos, we'll break down 7 core toolkits that form the foundation of the CashWave affiliate system. Each toolkit is designed to address a specific challenge or goal. For example, the Creator Toolkit features programs like Tube Mastery, which teaches you how to build faceless YouTube channels that generate income without stepping in front of the camera. Then there's Systeme.io, the ultimate sales funnel builder for automating email flows that actually sell. And of course, Go High Level, a platform that turns simple affiliate campaigns into automated profit machines. These toolkits aren't just a random collection of tools. They've been carefully curated and refined based on real questions from our community. People like you asked, what programs actually work? And how do I avoid wasting time on things that don't deliver results? The answer is the CashWave Vault. This system was designed to give you everything you need while cutting out the distractions that hold most people back. And here's the best part. You don't need to master all 7 toolkits to succeed. You just need to pick the one that aligns with your goals, follow the steps, and get to work. Craig once felt stuck. After years of promoting affiliate products and working tirelessly to generate commissions, he found himself running in circles. Every ounce of effort he poured into promoting someone else's business left him feeling burned out and frustrated. The commissions he earned weren't enough, and the lack of ownership over what he was building left him unfulfilled. He began to wonder if this was all his hard work would amount to. Craig doubted if he had anything to offer the world. The thought of creating his own system felt impossible. He asked himself, what if no one buys it? What if I fail? But then came a turning point. Craig discovered Tube Mastery, a program that showed him how to create faceless YouTube channels that actually attract viewers and generate revenue. His first video brought in a commission within days, proving that the system worked. From there, he layered on Systeme.io to automate his email sequences and create a seamless flow from prospect to sale. And when he added Go High Level, his results skyrocketed. Within months, Craig was building consistent, scalable income. The CashWave Vault was created to make this process easier and faster for creators like you. Profiles of creators with their financial milestones displayed, such as Sarah M., won $300 in her first week, and Julian R., $480 in 2 weeks. The CashWave Vault isn't just a theory, it's been proven by creators around the world. Sarah M. from Phoenix started with the Creator Toolkit. She uploaded 3 faceless YouTube videos using the step-by-step process and earned her first commission within 10 days. She said, "I can't believe this worked. I've never even shown my face." Julian R. from Brooklyn used the Evergreen Toolkit with Go High Level to set up a single email flow. Within 2 weeks, he made $482. Julian shared, "I've been trying affiliate marketing for years. This toolkit finally connected the dots." Danielle H. from Boston used Systeme.io to simplify her campaigns. She wrote, "It took me from overwhelmed to organized. I earned my first $600 in just 3 weeks." These aren't professional marketers or influencers. They're everyday people who decided to stop guessing and start following a system that works. Every video in this series is laser-focused on a specific toolkit in the vault. We'll break down the programs inside, show you exactly how they work, and give you the steps to start using them. For example, in Video 2, we'll explore the Creator Toolkit, which features Tube Mastery and tools like Tube Magic for creating faceless YouTube channels. We'll show you how to automate your video creation and start pulling in income without being on camera. Later on, we'll look at the Evergreen Toolkit, which is built around Systeme.io. You'll learn how to manage your email automation, design high-converting funnels, and create campaigns that run on autopilot. By the end of the series, you'll know exactly how to build a sustainable, scalable affiliate business. You'll have a clear, actionable plan to follow. And the best part? You'll finally have the confidence that comes with knowing you're using a proven system that delivers real results. Now it's your turn. You've seen the process. You've heard the stories. This is your chance to take control of your future and build the life you've envisioned.